And here they are once they're all finished. And I absolutely love how they both turned out. So first of all, here is the Solero one. Very, very soft, and also just a little bit slow rising on the sides. And then here is the bite mark, and I think I was able to make it look quite realistic. And I ended up making the exotic flavoured one. And I've actually never had this ice cream in real life, but I definitely want to try it. Hopefully I will someday. I think this turned out really good. I think the shape looks really good, and also I really like how the colour looks as well. It's a really bright yellowy orange colour. I also drew the logo onto the lolly stick. And then here is the Cornetto one, and I've had this ice cream many times. It is one of my favourite ice creams ever. And I especially like the mint flavoured ones, but obviously for this one I decided to do the original flavour. Again, this is really, really squishy and really soft. I ended up adding quite a few layers of paint to the top, so it's just that little bit more slow rising than the cone. And you can see all of the chopped nuts on top. I think I made the colour of these a little bit too dark, but that's okay. But again, super happy with this one. I love how the shape turned out, and I think it looks really close to the actual ice cream. And my dad actually gave me the idea for this one. Yeah, we both really enjoy these. But sometimes we get like the cheaper brands, because usually that we can't afford the Cornetto ones. I did kind of mess up on the detailing on the cone, but anyways. Looks good on this side. And yep, that is it for this tutorial, or tutorials. I really hope you enjoyed watching. And if you haven't already, please go and check out my previous tutorial where I show you how to make the rocket ice lolly and the twister ice lolly or ice cream. And also please click thumbs up on this video if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. And again, I'm going to be making more squishies like this because there's still so many other ice cream squishies or ice creams that I can make into squishies. So I'm really excited. But I'm going to be doing a different video next, so please stay tuned. And also please go and check out my Etsy and my Instagram, which are both linked in the description box below. And please stay tuned for some more squishy tutorials and just randomness coming soon. And yep, that is it. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.